Welcome to Naga's Odelicious. In today's video, we're going to see the preparation of Sigappu Aval Payasam. This is an ode to the legendary friendship in India. Health benefits of Sigappu Aval or poha or red rice flakes. It's a good source of iron, vitamins, antioxidants, fiber and manganese which prevent anemia, premature aging, constipation, colon cancer and highly recommended for diabetic subjects. Health benefits of coconut. Coconut fruit is rich in copper and iron which help form the red blood cells, and it also has selenium, an important antioxidant that protects your cells. Ingredients required: Sigappu Aval red rice flakes 2 cups, coconut puree 1 cup, cashew 1 tablespoon, raisins 1 tablespoon, elaichi 10 pods crushed, saffron 1 pinch, boiled milk 1 liter, ghee for tempering 2 tablespoons, whole jaggery crushed 200 grams. Poha also has anthocyanins which are also good for health. Now let us look into the preparation steps. Preparation step number 1. You have to prepare the jaggery syrup. To half a cup of water taken in a pan in a moderate flame, add 200 grams of the jaggery and dissolve it. So once you reach this consistency, switch off the flame and allow it to cool. And then with help of a strainer, filter away the fiber particles because jaggery is made from sugarcane. It might at times have the sugarcane fibers. And after the syrup is cooled, you add the crushed pods of elaichi into it and set it aside. Step 2. Wash the flakes and allow the water to drain immediately. Do not over soak the poha. Step number 3. Boil the milk and then after the boiling is done, transfer it to a different container. If you cook in the same container, then the poha might be burnt. So we have to use a different vessel for cooking the poha. After transferring the hot milk to a different container, step 4 is add rice flakes to the milk. Do it slowly because poha will tend to break. So we have to be very soft with poha. Poha is nothing but the rice flakes or the Sigappu Aval. And then after that, step 5, add the coconut milk and give one gentle boil, since the coconut milk has to blend. And then after that, step 6, add the sweet jaggery syrup into the mixture and then stir gently so that everything has to blend together. And now take a different pan. Step number 7, saute the cashews and raisins with 2 tablespoons of ghee. Saute them separately, cashews and raisins. Raisins look very beautiful when you are sauteing them because they tend to become like full-grown grapes. And step number 8, garnish the payasam or the dessert with cashews, raisins and the saffron milk. Give a gentle stir. Yes, the yummylicious red poha payasam is ready. It can be served and add it very gently so that the poha flakes don't break. Yes, finally done. Aval payasam ready. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment. And this video, it's an ode to all my friends there outside from Naga's Odelicious.